Namaskaram, Vanakkam. Welcome to the cultural segment of the English segment of Literature Festival, second edition. We have a wonderful group from Khirsana Yenglembam from the South Zone Cultural Center who will perform Manipuri dance pieces, two of them, Gauranga Varnan and Basanta Ras Leela. The team is getting ready. Meanwhile, I would like to request Secretary Dr. Jayanti Ravi and Gautam Ghoshal ji, our governing board member, to come on the stage for lamp lighting. If we can also have one of the performers, please come.
Namaskar. Good evening, Auroville. We are very happy to present Manipuri dance during the Pondi Auroville Literature Festival. The first item is Gauranga Varnan. The dance item portrays the birth of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is believed to be the incarnation of Lord Shri Krishna and Radha. The invocation of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is a must for Anatta Sankirtana performances in Manipur, which preludes the Ras Leela as Purvaranga. The item portrays the symbolic presentation describing the beauty, the root, and Harinam Prachar of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. The item has been choreographed by Dr. Y. Theba Devi under the guidance of Padma Shri, Srimati Y. Gambhini Devi and Ranjana Devi. Ladies and gentlemen, we present Gauranga Varnan by Khirsana Yenglembam.
सच्चीर गर्भे महन्नवे राहु गस्ते पुनी माया श्री गौरांग प्रकट भवे
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Gauranga Varnan by Kirsana Yumlembam. The concluding item is Vasanta Ras Leela of Manipur. Vasanta Ras is a Vaishnavite dance theatre form based on the legends of Radha and Krishna, with emphasis on Prem Bhakti, that is the love and devotion. The Vaishnavites of Manipur consider as good karma, the deed, for performance of Ras Leela, and even being a part of a Ras Leela as a spectator itself is also indeed a good karma. Vasanta Ras Leela is based on various Puranas, including Git Govinda, the Ras Leela that we are going to present is basically performed during Holi festival. Vasanta Ras Leela unfolds as a tender and devotional journey beginning with the theme of Krishna Visar, that is a secret movement of Krishna longing to meet Srimati Radhika. As the spring season awakens, the world with fragrance and color, Radha feels an intense longing for Krishna, her steps very soft and graceful, and she goes to Kunja along with her Sakhis. When she meets Krishna, she plays Ras Leela with joy along with the gopis. It's symbolizing the countless souls seeking closeness to the divine. As the celebration of unity reaches its height, the Ras naturally flows into Abir Khel, that is the joyous play of color, making the essence of the Vasant season. Krishna throws Abir, symbolizing spreading of divine grace and the arrival of spring in both nature and the human hearts. The gopis respond with playful, gentle movements, showing their surrender to Krishna's love. The energy here grows brighter but remains characteristically soft and devotional, true to Manipuri style. Finally, the performance concludes with Sambhog, symbolizing purification and the eternal resonance. Thus, Vasanta Ras Leela ends with Arati, a prayer to the divine. The dancers are Kirsana Yumlembam, Dr. Y. Theba Devi, Lakshmi Devi, Jibalata Devi, Shindrela Devi, and Supriya Devi. Little bit about the group. The group leader, Srimati Kirsana Yumlembam, she was born in a family of artists. She was introduced to the world of Manipuri dance and music by her aunts, Padma Shri Yumlembam Gambhini Devi and Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Ranjana Devi. Subsequently, she also received training in dance at the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal, which is one of the constituent units of Sangeet Natak Academy. She received several awards and honors from JNMDA, including a merit scholarship for standing first in certificate course and merit scholarship for standing first in the diploma course. She is also a recipient of 2 gold medals from Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Kirsana Devi is also a recipient of scholarship from the CCRT Ministry of Culture and senior fellowship from the Ministry of Culture. She has performed extensively with her gurus as well as soloists in various prestigious festivals organized by government organizations, including the Sangeet Natak Academy, ICCR, and various organizations. She has been part of various important events in the country, such as Amrit Swardhara in Somnath, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the IGC Meet of UNESCO held in Red Fort, Khirsana Yumlembam has also conducted several lecture demonstrations at various prestigious forums such as YGR Annual Festival at Imphal, ISKCON Temple in Mumbai, Somnath Temple in Gujarat. She has also served as a regional selection committee member of CCRT for Goa and Maharashtra. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present Vasanta Ras Leela by the group of Khirsana Devi Yumlembam and others.
बसंतरी पूर्णिमा ओ Sri Krishna hoa khơi yêu ba từ tàu rơi li sao mô yêu sao dư ni lem dư bi không thang ni lên lê ra đi ca lakpisi ai jana thoirbi brajagopi pumnama yeng Sri Vrindavan kaya daning thizariba lai sukhibina lai ka phanna sat kairi inglaba malaya nung sina tapna sini basantagi purnimana su henna ning thizaraba hingasida aikhoi maya rasa lila sanasi pungning naningba thonghansi ibungo nanai aikhoi na pamjaribasu madutani Thank you. hàng lối bằng đi ở 이 비음이 피지네 떠나 내 토지 이 타고 있는 거절어와 인기 크미우스 긴신나 하고 있는 거절어와 아라비가 저리 시라하고 있는 자목은 노자리 시루공은 줄이나
The grace and serenity you witnessed reflect the deeper purpose of art, which Sri Aurobindo described as the soul expressing its inner truth. Through each movement, this presentation transformed dance into meditation and beauty into an offering. Once again, a big round of applause for all the artists. May we request all of you to be on the stage for another minute, please. And if Abid sir is here, may I request IAS Shri Abid Mohammed ji from Pondicherry government to kindly felicitate our artists. Ananda Shankar ji, if we are, I cannot see, it's too much light on my, if you are here, kindly, oh, she's gone, okay. Thank you so much. Sir, would you like to say a few words?
It's been such a wonderful performance, I think, befitting this beautiful auditorium that we have here. We were, when a request came from Auroville that they really wanted to have, good cultural performances from the northeastern states. So we thought we'll explore that. It was a bit of a challenge because traveling all the way can be, a little difficult. But we are so happy that you've been able to come here. And thank you for making this evening so beautiful. Thank you so much.